Good day, ma'am. So, I will now proceed to the NGT tube removal. So, as mentioned, and as usual, confirm the physician's order. Then, identify the patient and introduce self. So, may I know your full name po?
I'm Gurisan Ibariato.
So, I'm Angelica Garanalpor from CSPC, a student nurse. So, today po, aalisin ko na po yung NGT tube na nakakabit po sa inyo. And after that, provide for client's privacy by closing windows and curtains. Next, to hand washes thoroughly. Then, don appropriate PPE. And prepare the equipment. First equipment is the personal protective equipment, syringes, towel, paper tissues. So, next is to place a towel across the client's chest and flush with 5 to 10 ml of NS or SW. Remove the tape and release the suction and clamp tube. Then, ask the client to take a deep breath and hold breath if they can or exhale slowly. So, ma'am, tatanggalin ko na po. Hinga lang po kayo ng malalim at pigilin niyo po yung hininga niyo po if kaya niyo po. So, withdraw the tube gently, quickly, and steadily on a circular motion. Then, place the NGT in a disposable bag. And remove gloves. Assist the client with thorough mouth and nair care. Then assist the patient in a comfortable position and administer oral hygiene. Then monitor the client for GI difficulty like nausea, vomiting, abdominal distension, and food intolerance. Then document the procedure after performing it.